Have you ever wondered what it feels like to stay at the new Haya Place Hotel in Halong Bay, Vietnam? If you're planning a trip to Halong Bay, this might help you to decide. In this video, I'm going to show you my honest review of my recent stay at the Haya Place. I'll walk you through room tours, facilities, soft products, hard products, service, what my honest experience was over there. This hotel has been in service only about a couple of months when I stayed there. I stayed 4 nights at the Hyatt Place, Halong Bay, and here's my honest review. First, I'm gonna show you the facilities. Everything was new. It still had that new hotel smell and feel to it. All the products, you can tell the carpet is new, the texture and the furniture is new. And I did like the design of how the rooms were it felt natural but contemporary, modern. This was the regular king room, but it still felt pretty spacious. Had a little coat rack and a little mini fridge, all the normal stuff of the amenities you would expect in a Category 1 Hyatt hotel. The balcony was nice. The only thing I wish that would have made it better for the balcony was if there was some lawn chairs or something you could just sit outside on the balcony, enjoy the view, enjoy outside. This pool is the most amazing feature about this hotel. It oversees the Halong Bay. You can see this amazing view, and when you're just chilling at the hotel, overseeing this, there was quite a bit of traffic downstairs. When you're hanging out outdoor at the pool, you can still kind of hear. There were karaoke's as usual in Vietnam, usually in the evening, especially on weekends, Friday nights, Saturday nights. We got used to the karaoke noise in Vietnam anyway. On the weekends, the pool was busy though. And as far as inside the hotel, they have a mini market downstairs by the lobby. And then also they have on-site restaurant. It's called the Bistro. And I'll show you in a little bit my experience with dining at the restaurant at the hotel. So the restaurant was actually pretty good. The food was very delicious. They had this really good crispy chicken, kind of like a chicken karaage thing dish I tried. It was excellent. And the restaurant was not busy at all. Now there was no not really a public transportation around the hotel, and Grab doesn't work in Halong Bay. So you will have to call a cab. And the hotel receptionist actually called us a cab one time when we needed somewhere to go and our Grab wouldn't work. And that's how we got around Halong Bay. Overall, this was a pretty good hotel. The only thing that made it difficult was the location was not necessarily at the center of everything. So you had to take the taxi because Grab doesn't work over there. So that was the only thing. I would give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Almost perfect. The only thing that would make it better is if it was close to everything and walkable. So that being said, if you were planning a trip to Halong Bay, you might consider this Hyatt Place Hotel as one of your options. If this is a Hyatt Category 1 hotel, so if you have a Hyatt status or a Hyatt points, you can easily book it. And I did book these 4 nights on Hyatt points. It was only 5,000 Hyatt points per night when I booked. It might vary depending on when you're booking seasonality and all of that. But I still think that's pretty good deal for this hotel that is brand new. The staff, the service was also amazing. The staff was very friendly as usual. If you like this video, click like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.